In this Premiere AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that will allow you to translate and even dub any video on the internet into other languages. You can add subtitles. You can even have it so that people are talking in a different language, and you can sell this as a service. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Premiere AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says AI finally allowed us to dominate the entire world and removed all language barriers. World's first AI app that translates and dubs any video or audio into 140 plus different languages without us editing or recording anything. Freelancers make $500 to $1,000 per day this way in 56 seconds or less. Comes with a free commercial license. So here's what I want you to see here. Like they talk about freelancers make $500 to $1,000 per day with this. People are making money translating and translating videos and stuff. I don't want you to think that you're magically going to start making money with this. However, it is a service that you could potentially provide to people, and there are people already providing this as a service on places like Upwork and Fiverr. So it is a potential way of monetizing this. You simply import the video that you want to translate into the software. You can take it, like you can upload it, you can take it from YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, or you can import it from a URL. Then you can translate it, you can dub it if you want to, and then take that video. If you're doing YouTube marketing yourself, you could potentially start a new channel and upload it in different languages. You could provide this as a service for people that have YouTube channels or have video or that like do video marketing. It is a very actually smart way of doing things and being able to reach audiences that you might not be able to reach in your current language. And I'm going to scroll down here. They show some people that are actually doing this kind of stuff here, that they'll translate different things into different languages here. This guy's charging $45 an hour. This one's $345 an hour. I mean, you could easily provide this as a service for someone. If you look at Mr. Beast, which most of you I'm sure are familiar with, he's got 184 million subscribers on YouTube. He has channels in other languages as well, like Mr. Beast in Spanish. He's got it like in Russian, in French, and he puts it in so many different languages so that he can reach multiple audiences with the same content that he might not have been able to reach with the English language there. So I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom if I can get there. These sales pages are so long. If you end up purchasing this, you'll get access to the software for a very low one-time price. You get access to all these different things here. Make sure you try moving your mouse away. Here we go. Most likely a discount code will pop up there. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explain this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs and discounts.
Stop life-changing information ahead. Imagine that minutes from now you could start using the world's premier app that translates any video, audio or text into 170 plus languages. Fully powered by Microsoft's latest AI technology, Cody and Cosmos 2.0. Yes, it turns any existing video, audio file or text into top quality AI translated content in 170 plus languages in 56 seconds or less. You can dominate the entire global market with one click. You can translate any video, audio or text by copy-pasting the link or uploading. We include one-click transcriptions. You can translate your own content or your client's content into 170 plus languages to dominate the internet. You can outcompete your competition with your multilingual assets. You can scale up your business and market to an extra audience of 5 billion internet users. Free commercial license included, you can sell translation services and charge thousands of dollars. There are zero startup costs, and it can instantly boost your traffic, leads and commissions on complete autopilot. Sounds amazing? Because it is. Not translating your content into multiple languages in 2023 is like throwing money away. You've seen the AI success stories. AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too. Translated content is perfect for this. Top YouTuber MrBeast is translating his content and making hundreds of millions of dollars in the process. He got an extra 24.5 million subscribers just from his Spanish channel. Today is your chance to start doing exactly what MrBeast is doing, but in 170 plus languages instead of just Spanish. AI translates for you a million times faster and precise than any human alive. It saves you time and money all day, every day. In other words, start using AI for translations now or stay behind forever. However, AI comes with some problems too. It's expensive, and until today only well-established business owners could use it to its full potential. It can be very expensive, anywhere from $240 per year to $1,299 per year. But wait, there's a better way. Yes, today you can get access to all the premium AI translation features without losing your shirt. Introducing Premiere AI, world's first and only AI app fully powered by Cody and Cosmos 2.0 that translates unlimited content into 170 plus languages with lifetime usage. You can finally stop worrying about the limitations and monthly payments for ChatGPT once and for all. In 56 seconds you can translate and dub any video, audio or text and either use the content yourself or sell it to your clients. It makes us $500 to $1,000 per day with our built-in traffic source, with no manual translation, no writing, and no video editing. But here's the important question. Are you happy with how much you are currently earning online, and most importantly, could you earn more? AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too. Minutes from now you could get access to the world's first and only AI app fully powered by Cody and Cosmos 2.0. It allows you to remove all language barriers and dominate the entire global market. A regular person says, so what? But smart marketers like you and I ask, how can I profit from that? We've spent no expense developing it, so you can finally see results with AI translations without overpaying for it. Yes, we've done all the hard work for you. It's literally a business in a box. Premiere AI unleashes the power of AI in 170 plus languages in just 3 steps. Step 1. Import. You can copy and paste any video, audio or text link or upload the file. Step 2. Translate and dub. With one click, AI will translate the content into any language, 170 plus to choose from. Step 3. Profit big. Use your freshly created content to drive traffic, get leads, generate commissions or simply sell it to your clients. Say goodbye to worries and frustrations. It's your time to win. No more poor quality AI content, no more weird sounding AI translations, no more unengaging AI videos, no more problems with copyrights, no more freelancers or agencies, no more translators or other experts. This app is all you need to finally start seeing real results while lowering your monthly costs to 0. All of this with a few clicks and with zero tech experience needed. And the best part, during this initial launch period only, you can grab your copy for as low as $17. Pay once, use forever. Here's what you get today with Premiere AI. One-click translations and dubbing of videos, audios, and text into 170 plus languages, free commercial license, free white label license, video training, no monthly charges, and 8 fast action bonuses. Free to use yourself in any niche and any language, and free to sell to your clients. You set the price here. All of this and much more for a silly low one-time fee during the launch period only. And yes, if you will act right now, we will include a free commercial license for a very limited time only. This means you can create limitless done-for-you translated content for your clients and charge them $1,000 a pop or even monthly. But you need to hurry because this amazing opportunity is available for a low one-time fee for a very limited time. After the initial launch period, we'll reserve the right to start charging a monthly fee for access to Premiere AI, and we'll be removing the commercial license. However, if you'll join right now, you're still getting the best deal ever. And of course, you are fully protected by our 365 days money-back guarantee. Yes, we are putting our money where our mouth is. You can test drive Premiere AI, and if you don't like it, we'll send your money back. What you need to do right now is take action. Hurry if you want to get in for a low one-time fee plus get a commercial license included for free. So click on the buy now button below and we will personally connect with you on the next page.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area that you have access to after you purchase. You can put in your campaigns, have your videos in here, and be able to do all your translations from one area. Now there are multiple upgrades. First one is the unlimited version. You get unlimited videos, unlimited translation, unlimited views, unlimited sales with this one. So this is normally $39. However, actually, if you move your mouse away, it looks like you get a little bit of a discount here. They say it's $30 discount, but it looks like it's like a couple dollar discount here. Anyways, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one here is a done for you version. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount, bring it down to $27. They've got another one here that adds in Messenger, SMS, and email. Move your mouse away and get a discount. They've got another one here that will create audiobooks and podcasts for you. Move your mouse away and get a discount on this one as well. Got another one here that you can create and sell done for you content. Move your mouse away and you can get a discount on this one, it looks like. Then they've got a 100K training. Move your mouse away, of course, get a discount. Then they've got one for creating backlinks. Move your mouse away and get a discount. And then they've got one here, it looks like a done for you reseller rights for this. You can move your mouse away and get a really nice discount on that. And the last one is, looks like email campaigns, link cloaker, etc. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Premiere AI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, whenever you have a software that translates things, it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be like the best translation in the world, like someone that actually speaks that language is doing it, but it's pretty close. What do I like about this? I think this is a neat idea. Do I think you're going to make like $500 a day with it? No, but I do think that you could potentially use this for your own videos or provide this as a service for people. If this is something that you'd like to do and you'd like a software that's not going to break the bank, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Premiere AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.